Welcome back. We've got Charlene Patton with us this morning. Thank you for being with us. Your request with the Kansas Soybean Commission. And if you haven't already noticed a theme throughout the month of May, we are making salads with Charlene, but it's also May Beef Month as well. So talk to me a little bit about this salad that we're making this morning.
Yes, we wanted to recognize the beef industry.
Yes.
They make great partners with soybeans because most of the soybeans that are used here in Kansas are used to feed livestock.
Absolutely.
So
yes.
in this particular recipe, we have a double use of our soybeans that I wanted to share with you.
Looks great.
You're going to make the
Okay.
dressing again. And this is rice vinegar that's in here.
Okay.
And I'm going to add this. This
Yes.
is soy sauce and a little bit of sesame oil.
Okay.
That just adds a wonderful extra flavor
Yes.
for this.
Yes.
And then we've got a little bit of sugar to sweeten it up.
Yes.
So you
Okay.
put that on very tight.
Yes, very tight.
And
Make
then
sure that top's on there.
that's right. And then it's closed and you can shake
Okay,
that.
I'll start shaking
and then
that up.
I've got just a spring green mixed here that you can get in the store.
Okay.
We're going to add some red onion that's sliced and then some radishes that are sliced. And then we have cucumbers that we're adding.
Oh, so pretty.
Oh yeah,
Just a
this
pretty
makes
salad.
a really flavor. And then here's our edamame
Okay.
again. And we've talked about it, but now when you purchase edamame, I love it in the frozen food section. You can just put those
Yes.
packages right into the microwave.
yes.
Makes it so easy for mixing. So there we have it all mixed up.
Yes.
And then I want to tell you about the steak.
Oh, please.
This is a Kansas City strip steak. And what I did is has a wonderful rub that has smoked paprika. It has chili powder, a
Yes.
little bit of brown sugar.
Go great with the salad, yes.
Put that on both sides,
Okay.
rub it on both sides of your steak, then put it on the grill and then cook it there until about 140 degrees.
Okay.
So it's rare.
Yes.
Now if you'd like it cooked more than that, just leave it a little bit
Of
longer.
course, yes.
Then take it off the grill and I sliced it thin so that we're going to put it in thin strips. And then you can see how nice that looks serving
Yes,
it with the
beautiful
salad.
over there.
I had somebody say, it was a man that said, oh, I don't think I want to put it on my salad. And I said, you know what you could do?
Yeah.
Have that steak separate
Yes.
and the salad on a
there you
salad
go.
plate.
Best of
And
both worlds.
Best of both worlds. That's right.
Well, wonderful. And so if you want more recipes like this, you'll be sure to call and get this Soy Foods Guide. And Charlene, how can they do so?
They should call the Kansas Soybean office, and that is 877-KS Soybean, or you can go to our website and get all the recipes for the month of May. And there's also a message center there, so you could put your address in and we'll mail it to them.
Wonderful. Well, stick around. We'll be right back. Thanks so much, Charlene.
Thank you.